All right, so I just wanted to show you guys the new POV glasses I got. I bought them mainly for the channel. Um, just want to show what it looks like here at night. I'm gonna go to a car wash and wash the ST and just give you guys an experience of what it looks like, what it sounds like. I didn't want to spend the big bucks on the big brands just because they like had hit or miss reviews. So I bought a pair off Amazon that had really good reviews. And it was $200, I think, regular price, and I got it for 50 bucks off, so $150 give or take. So if I'm going to test something and see if I like them or will use them, because again, these are strictly for the channel, basically. I'd rather spend 150 bucks versus 5 to 7 to 8, $900 on a set of glasses that might not ever get used. So so far, I'm honestly pretty impressed with them. They have a AI feature as well that's I don't use a ton. And for me, it's okay. Ask the weather, ask what this is. It has a feature where you can take a picture of anything, and it'll describe what the picture is. So that's kind of neat. But yeah, and you can also record anywhere from I think it's 1 minute, 3 minute, 6 minute, 9 minute, 12 minute. I know that the max is 12 minutes, and it says that the reason is because it gets too hot. So yeah, 12 minutes isn't bad. Let it cool down and do some more POV stuff. So I'm okay with that. I can't imagine that the other glasses are any better in that respect. But the only thing I don't like is that this light constantly shines to let everyone know that you're recording. So I might just put a sticker there or something. Not that I want to be like, super covert or anything, but yeah, if I'm out and about driving the car or something and I have POV glasses, I don't want this to be shining through or look weird. So, but anyway, let's go watch the vehicle. All right, so here we are. This is a test for me too to see if you guys can hear me. Now, these glasses do have mics on them. It has a Bluetooth feature. You can connect Bluetooth, listen to music, and obviously have a mic too, so make calls. But when I was buying these, I was trying to find a good video of them, and I couldn't. So hopefully this is the ticket for you guys. Now I will leave my my affiliate link in the description, and if this helps you make the purchase at all, that would be awesome. If you could buy through my link, and I can get some commission. Again, only trying to help you guys make informed decisions. I came really close to buying the Oakley set because I'm a fan of Oakley's. But dropping like 800 bucks is a lot on something you have no idea if you'll like or not. Get out of my way. You're gonna get wet. All right, guys. That's all I have for this test. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're thinking of getting a set of POV glasses, I do recommend these for the price point. I think they'll be a handy tool for when it comes to doing stuff in the garage and driving the cars. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Till the next one. Bye.